space, a vast area of nothing, but upon that nothing are galaxies, grains of sand compared to the infinitely growing universe, and in these galaxies are stars, solar systems, and planets forming them. These planets, our planets, rotate in a forever circling elliptical pattern, calmly, but as such grace of harmony as this is, it is not peaceful. In space, there can be dangerous casualties between and around the planets, galaxies, and stars. The first basic hazard that we have are meteorites. Meteorites are chunks of an asteroid or comet. We usually obtain these from the asteroids in our own asteroid belt. After these portions of the asteroid are broken off, they attract Earth's gravity and thus charge toward us. Generally, they burn up in our atmosphere around 30 to 60 miles from the ground, doing no damage due to their small mass. But if there were to be a meteorite that is about, say, 1,000 tons, at the speed and mass it is moving in, Earth could be extinct in nearly, if not all of its population. This impact would be devastating, reliving the dinosaur era, although we may not be able to adapt through it. The next hazard we'd have is a black hole. Black holes are an area in space where gravity pulls so hard that not even the light can escape. The gravity is so strong because the matter is being squeezed together into a small space. Some can even be as small as one atom, but also very large. The area at the center of a galaxy, that bright light, is a supermassive black hole. Although there are no stars close enough to form a threatening black hole, if Earth were to somehow become swallowed by one, we'll never know what happens. It could be torn apart atom by atom from the gravity, or maybe just lost in the darkness, infinite darkness, or as I call it, the umbra. But we'll never know. We'll never ever know. Another danger we face are supernovas, or supernovae. Supernovae occur when a star reaches the end of its life cycle. There are two types of supernovae. The first is when a star accumulates matter from a neighbor star until a runaway nuclear reaction ignites it. These generally come from white dwarf stars that need to accumulate gas from another star until the ignition of the nuclear reaction occurs. The second type of supernovae is when a star is 15 times the size of the sun we have. This will eventually run out of the hydrogen it runs on and begin filling its core with more elements, which will layer up, increasing in mass. Eventually it reaches its limit and implode on itself. The core of it will then become denser and expel the mass. And then, boom! A supernova can affect us if it's only about 50 light years away, by shearing the ozone of our planet and destroying the magnetic field. If we're about, say, 1 light year away, it would destroy us, plain and simple. Moving on to a more common danger that we face is the falling of our sun. Our sun is a massive ball of gas, for all 4 people who don't know that, and it emits heat and light energy. But it cannot do this forever. Eventually, the sun will run out of hydrogen that fuses with the helium inside it. Once this happens, the helium will start to fuse with carbon dioxide. This will cause the sun to emit more light and heat, and will cause it to become larger. It will then become a large red ball of light and heat. But this change in size will cause the sun to become so large that it will engulf the inner planets, including us. But we will be avenged, in a way, because the sun's mass will eventually cause it to collapse into itself and become a white dwarf or a neutron star. The final danger that we face, and the most likely to happen, is the dying of our planet. Our planet Earth is our only livable refuge. We are at a perfect area, healthy amounts of sunlight, and we have a special layer around us called the ozone. That ozone protects us from sunlight that is too intense and too much, and then it also stores in oxygen for us to breathe. But humanity has treated such a gift as if it was a mere toy, and abuses it as so. But such abuse has powerful effects. We constantly pollute our Earth, making carbon dioxide that can tear our ozone, making our protection from it more exposed. If this keeps up, we'll be doomed to toxic air around us, and dead plants that cannot provide us the oxygen we need will slowly begin to perish, leading eventually to extinction, making what was left of Earth an uninhabitable toxic rock that once had been a beautiful blessing. Which is why, to avoid this, we must take care of it. As you can see, our universe can be beautiful and dangerous. Okay guys, well that's the end of my weird little mellow tone voice. Only to make this video seem more, how do I say, I don't know. Make this video sound more sophisticated. Don't ask me what that voice is. It's like a cross between Batman and Morgan Freeman, I think, or somewhere around those lines. Thanks for watching, and I hope to do more videos like this, Miss Frysteller. If you give that little bit of a like button there, please click it. And don't lie to me, I can see you right now. I'm probably in the classroom right now looking at you, and I'm telling you right now, if I'm looking at you, that means click it, because I know you can. Okay, well thanks guys, and thanks for watching, hoping for an A+, and yeah, see ya.